So, I'm fascinated by trains. And here I am standing at 6th Avenue in Albany at the Lafayette Street track. And you can hear the sound of the approaching, I think it's the Toledo hauler. It has just come over the Willamette River and it is waiting. And we'll see it arrive here in just a minute. Here it goes. Right next to this wonderfully restored old house. Those people get a pretty good look at a train at least once or twice a day. We'll just watch the train go by. Well, that was kind of fun. Longer than usual, I thought, this train was. At least that was my impression. I am looking straight into the sun. I really can't see what I'm supposed to see. In any case, here on Thursday afternoon on the Portland and Western Track on what used to be, on what used to be Lafayette Street and 6th Avenue, I'm House O'Haring. And thank you very much for your patience watching me watch this train. I will see you later on HH Today. Goodbye.